Okay, we got our head all painted, so now we're going to start to paint our clown here. And I have these little patterns here I've made for the eyes. There's different styles that we can use. So I cut these out and I save these for when I do other clowns. Then I can pick a pattern that I want to go up around the eyes. So we're going to start painting him. He is carved completely out of wood. I'm going to paint the head. I'm going to paint the hands. This one's going to have feet and the bottom part. All my figures that you see me do here are for sale. I sell all of them. If you see something you're interested in, you can contact me on my Facebook page under Daniel Cusno and contact me there. I did ventriloquism for over 45 years, and I don't do it anymore, but I like the wooden style hand carved because you can never get any two exactly alike. You can get them looking similar, but they won't look exactly alike. I see a lot of the Muppet type puppets out there and a lot of the plastic, which they're great, they look great, but I prefer the older style wooden ventriloquist figure. So we're going to start to paint this one here and get him decorated out, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.